Hello everyone. In our previous video, we discussed about the examination pattern of JAM. In this video, let us discuss about the chemistry syllabus of JAM 2021. Let's make a journey into chemistry syllabus. There are 22 chapters in JAM chemistry syllabus. Physical chemistry contains theory of gases, solid state, chemical thermodynamics, chemical and phase equilibria, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, adsorption and spectroscopy. Organic chemistry contains basic concepts in organic chemistry, which also includes stereochemistry, organic reaction mechanism and synthetic applications, qualitative organic analysis, natural products chemistry, and aromatic and heterocyclic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry part contains atomic structure, periodic table, chemical bonding, main group elements, transition metals, bioinorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, and some special topics like basic mathematical concepts, instrumental methods of analysis. Let's look at the trends based on the JAM 2020 paper. About 20 marks came from basic concepts in organic chemistry reaction mechanism. So therefore, this is an important and prominent topic. About 15 marks from stereochemistry and spectroscopy. Then the major topics of physical chemistry, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, and thermodynamics covered about 15 marks. The very fundamental topics of inorganic chemistry, atomic structure, periodic properties, and chemical bonding. About 8 marks have come from these chapters. From main group elements, questions of with 14 marks. Then about 12 marks came from transition metals. That is about 80% of the total marks covered in these chapters only. Now, based on the marks pattern and trends, so let us focus the chapters from which more marks are coming. In atomic structure, focus more on the Bohr's model, the Bohr's radius of atom and energy, then on Schrodinger wave equation. So periodic properties, we have various periodic properties and the trends. So focus on those periodic properties. In chemical bonding, focus more on the shapes of molecules, bond angles, then bond strengths, lattice energy, then crystal structures like sodium chloride, cesium chloride, etc. Then on hybridization also. In main group elements, mostly questions will come on the properties of the elements, like important elements like phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen, etc. So focus on the compounds, their structures, their properties, etc. The most important topic in inorganic chemistry is transition metals. So you need to study about the comparative study of the 3D, 4D, and 5D series. Then go for bonding theories, valence bond theory, crystal field theory. You need to focus on the metal nitrosyls, carbonyls, organometallic compounds, their structures like metal clusters, etc., etc. The basic concepts of organ chemistry includes the electronic effects like inductive effect, mesomeric effect that include resonance, their applications like basicity of amines, then acidity of carboxylic acids, stabilities of reactive intermediates like carbocations, carbanions, etc. Then reaction mechanism include all types of reaction mechanisms, additions, eliminations, and then substitutions, the various mechanistic pathways of elimination like E1, E2, E1CB. In substitution reaction, regarding substitution reactions, in aliphatic substitution reactions, focus on SN1, SN2, and SNI mechanisms. You need to focus on the neighboring group participation also, NGP, and non-classical carbocations. In aromatic nucleophilic substitutions, you concentrate on both addition elimination and elimination addition reactions. The second one is also called as benzene mechanism. All these things are not included in syllabus, but questions are being asked. So focus more on the mechanisms of all types of reactions. Then stereochemistry is concerned, focus mainly on the concept of chirality. What are the conditions for the compound to exhibit optical activity? Then RS nomenclature. In addition to that, the what is known as EZ nomenclature also. So focus on these three topics. Then on spectroscopy, electronic spectroscopy, that is UV spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy, and NMR spectroscopy. The applications part is more important. The functional group analysis in IR spectroscopy, in NMR spectroscopy, equivalent and non-equivalent sets of protons, that is the integrations of various signals, then chemical shift, and also the coupling pattern. So they are not going beyond these things. Okay, even in reaction mechanisms and the basic concept, you need to concentrate on the pericyclic reactions also. Like they are not specifically mentioned, but questions are being asked, like Diels-Alder reaction, sigmatropic reactions mainly. Then there are certain named reactions in the syllabus, like McMurray, pinacol-pincolone, Favorsky, Baeyer-Villiger, etc., Wittig reaction, D'Orgens reactions, etc. These are named reactions. As such, you need to focus and concentrate on the all named reactions. Now coming to physical chemistry, in electrochemistry, you need to concentrate on electrochemical series. So concentrate on electrochemical series and the Nernst equation. In chemical kinetics, rates, factors affecting the reaction rates, the zero, first, second order reactions and their kinetics, problems related to those things, and also half-life. And also the complex reactions like parallel reactions, consecutive reactions, etc. Then in thermodynamics, concentrate on all the laws, zero, first, second, and third law. Then we have the free energy concept, the entropy, GH equation, etc. Even Maxwell relations, those are important things. In basic mathematics, you need to concentrate more on matrices, particularly determinant, then vectors, and then maxima, minima. In physical chemistry, there are other chapters also like gaseous state, solid state. In solid state, concentrate on the crystal structures. In gaseous state, concentrate on the deviation from the ideal behavior. Thus, even though you have 22 chapters, but you can count on the important topics on your fingers. In inorganic chemistry is concerned, atomic structure, periodic table, and chemical bonding. Then coordination compounds, main group elements, that's it. In organic chemistry, reaction mechanisms, that includes the electronic effects, then reagents, named reactions. then stereochemistry and spectroscopy. Whereas in physical chemistry, electrochemistry, thermodynamics, and chemical kinetics, these are the major chapters. Now let's look at the cutoff marks. So look at the cutoff marks in the previous 3 years. That is in 2020, around 17 marks for general category, and almost half of that will be for reserved category. Even for this year, I think it may not exceed 20. The cutoff marks may be between 17 and 20 for open category and around 10 marks for reserved category. And OBC candidates need to compete with the general category candidates. So looking at the syllabus and the question pattern, so this is not that difficult. So the first step in the preparation is the syllabus. Have an idea about the syllabus, try to identify the strong and weak areas, try to follow some authentic textbooks, and each and every formula of every aspect must be on your fingertips. You need to solve as many problems as possible. There is a book called Physical Chemistry Through Problems by Dogra and Dogra. What it says is that unless you practice problems, I'll repeat, unless you practice problems, you will never understand the physical chemistry. Similar is the case with organic chemistry. Unless you practice the structures and equations, you will never gain confidence in the organic chemistry. So organic chemistry and physical chemistry is concerned, you need to practice. So try to focus on more on the fundamentals and solve the previous question papers. Try to practice mock test papers which are available online. Then the consistency in preparation is very, very, very important. And remember, not a word more, not a word less. Don't read anything that is not necessary and don't leave anything that is necessary. అవసరమైంది ఏది వదిలిపెట్టకూడదు, అవసరమైంది ఏది చదవకూడదు. This is an important thing in the preparation for any competitive examination. So is it really true? Focus on fundamentals. Let us look at some of the questions. So remember, any competitive examination, particularly objective based, the questioning pattern will be based on the fundamentals only. They'll focus more on the fundamentals only. Let's look at some questions. So purpose of salt bridge based on definition. This is nuclear base not found in DNA. Again, factual information. This is again based on the definition, correct statement for the following structures, which are resonance structures, which are the tautomers. This is regarding the boiling points. You need to know the structure. You need to combine the hydrogen bonding and also the straight chain and branched chain structures. If you combine these two aspects, you can answer that. Look at here, hydrolysis of the calcium phosphate, factual based, memory based. Then this is again the property, direct property. This is again factual information. This is the application of RS nomenclature in stereochemistry. So this is again if you know the structures, you can answer this question. So need to remember about just now I have been saying the structures are very important in the particularly metal carbonyls, nitrosyls, number of bonds in that, etc. Then look at here, this is 18 electron rule. This is based on the mechanism. This is again, the question is on rate of solvolysis. Looks simple, but this includes 2 to 3 aspects. Solvolysis means SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction means the carbocation. So you should go to the stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation. Here you will get a non-classical carbocation. Here you will get an aromatic species. Here you will get an anti-aromatic species. This is simple conjugated carbocation. So these 4 things are included in this question only, based on the fundamental aspect only, but 4 things are included. This is where the students get confusion. That's the reason why whenever you are doing something, అవసరమైతే ఒక చాప్టర్ వదిలేసినా పర్లేదు, కానీ చదివినే పర్ఫెక్ట్గా చదవండి. ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ ఏంటంటే ఇవి ఇంటర్లింక్డ్ కాబట్టి వదిలేయడానికి లేదు. ఈ బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఇన్ ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ వదిలేస్తే రియాక్షన్ మెకానిజమ్స్ చేయలేరు, తర్వాత రియేజెంట్స్ చేయలేరు, నేమ్ రియాక్షన్స్ కూడా చేయలేరు. ఇప్పుడు స్టీరియో కెమిస్ట్రీ కూడా అవసరం అవుతుంది. సో లుక్ ఎట్ ఇది బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ది కన్ఫర్మేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది సైక్లిక్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్. ఇది చూడండి, డీల్-సాల్డర్ రియాక్షన్, ఇక్కడ ఎన్జిపి వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది కైరాలిటీ. ఒకటి అల్లీన్ ఉంది, ఒకటి బైఫినైల్ ఉంది, ఒకటి సింపుల్ సైక్లిక్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఉంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ లైన్ యాంగిల్ స్ట్రక్చర్. వీటన్నిటి మీద ఐడియా ఉంటేనే ఆన్సర్ చేయగలుగుతాం ఇది. కాబట్టి చూడడానికి బేసిక్స్ మీద ఉంటాయి, కానీ అప్లై చేయడం ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో అప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ అనలైజింగ్ అండ్ ఆన్సరింగ్ ద. Look at here, this is NMR spectroscope. Again, fundamentals only. Number of the signals in your style. What is ratio? And number of signals, then equivalent sets and integration. That question is based. This terpenoids, pedda chapter actually application lo. The complex chapter. Kan andulo malli chinnaga isoprene rule me nature any isoprene units manaki unnai ani cheppesi. So this is again based on the tautomerism basic concept. So looking at the various questions, you can simply conclude that you need to concentrate and focus more on the fundamentals. So these are some of useful books. This Peter Sachs is it's a wonderful book, small book, but it's a very wonderful book. Then you have Jerry March also, reaction mechanisms is extensively and excellent coverage is done in this Jerry March. Then you have another book, Solomon's, etc. It is also a good book. In physical chemistry, you can have only any one of these, either Puri Sharma Patania or PL Soni OP Dharma. This is a book. J.D. Lee for fundamentals. The Gopalan Ramalingam is for metal carbonyls, nitrosyls, and coordination. Even Malik Tulimadan also. Even Cotton and Wilkinson is also an excellent book in which carbonyls, nitrosyls are covered. So wish you all the best and concentrate more on the fundamentals. So still you have 5 months in your hand. So plan accordingly, focus on fundamentals, make consistent effort. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.